at the new Tyson plant to install 12 ponds that are going to be used to filter out the contaminants from the overland water, the roof water, downspouts, etc. It's approximately 52,000 square feet divided into 12 ponds. The 12 ponds take basically four stages of material, 57 stone in the bottom, the under drain, the number 8 stone, 3 feet of media, and 2 inches of pea gravel. Combined, all these materials will filter out the water while it makes its way to the under drain, where it gets released out into our streams, free of contaminants and large debris, the way it should be. That's our main goal, our main objective for the site here.